Hi everyone, welcome to another video with Encafe. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the correct pronunciation of different clothing lines or brand names. So let's get started. So everyone's familiar with Nike. A lot of overseas countries call this brand Nike, but the original name is Nike. Nike. Nike was founded in 1964 as Blue Ribbon Sports by a man called Bill Bowerman. The next clothing company is actually very known, Zara. Zara. This company was started by a man in Spain called Amancio Ortega in 1975. Another company is Victoria's Secret. Victoria's Secret is actually known for a lingerie line store. It was founded in 1977 by an American businessman. His name was Roy Raymond. The next one is another sports company called Adidas. Adidas was actually created by a man named Adolf, short for Addy, his nickname, and his last name was Dessler. Des. So he took his first nickname and the beginning of his last name, Adidas, and he named the company after his name. The next clothing company is called H&M, Hans and Moritz, H&M. This store was actually started by somebody called Erling Persson, who opened their first store in Sweden. The next one is called Gap. This is an American company that was started by a woman and her husband, Doris and Don Fisher, in San Francisco, 1969. The reason why they actually started this company was because Don couldn't find a pair of jeans that fit him. So they eventually created their own line of jeans, later on sweaters and hoodies, and then clothing for all ages from kids up until adults. And the name came from the gap between ages, or the difference of age between children and adults. Gap. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on our Instagram. Thank you for watching. Bye.